This is a 2022 Harris Cruiser single lounger dual helm. It's powered by 150 horsepower Mercury motor, rear facing speakers, ski tow. You have your fender storage, nice size swim deck, docking lights along with your navigational lights, flip up cleats, you'll catch your toe on them. Loungers in the front with recessed cup holders and USB chargers on both sides. Storage underneath. Your table here, complete with wine holders. Storage under the helm, as well as in-floor storage on your center tune. This dual helm, so 2 captain's chairs. All your gauges, switches, Bluetooth stereo, more USB, your Lawrence Hook 5, side controls. This Tri-Toon's rated for 13 people. 6 speakers throughout. The single lounger. This will actually flip forward to make this into a full lounger. Passengers can ride back here while the boat is moving with those chains up. This cushion is a cooler. It does drain out of the boat. More USB here in the stern. Storage under all of your seats. Life jackets, tubes, anything you'll need for the day. Large storage right there. (2022) Cruiser single lounger dual helm Tri-Toon by Harris.